Hello, and welcome to Legal Minute with Anyston Belt, presented by Johnston Moore & Weston. Today's topic, Alabama lemon law.
Did you know that Alabama has a lemon law that protects you when a new car just doesn't work the way that it should? Under Alabama law, if you buy a new vehicle and it has serious defects that affects the value, the use, or the safety, the manufacturer has to be given a reasonable chance to fix it. Generally, that means that the car has to have been repaired 3 or more times for the same problem, or it's been out of service for a total of 30 or more days within the first 12 months or 12,000 miles. If the problem still isn't fixed, the manufacturer may be required to replace the vehicle or refund the purchase price. But here's the catch. Lemon law actually requires that you give specific notice to the manufacturers and documentation of the repairs. So if you think your car might be a lemon, keep your service records and contact us at Johnston Moore & Weston.